Welcome to Great Choice.
Top 5 Best Bench Top Metal Lathe in 2022.
Top 1.
BestEquip Metal Lathe 7x14 Mini Metal Lathe 0 to 2500 RPM Variable Speed Mini Lathe with 4-3 Jaw Chuck Bench Top Metal Lathe, Benchtop Lathe, for various types of metal turning. Sturdy aluminium construction, the Mini Metal Lathe bed is made of high-grade iron. Equipped with nylon gears, this lathe machine is wear-resistant, sturdy, more accurate rotation and professional. Mini Metal Lathe power of motor, 550W. The full-length splash guard provides maximum protection. Infinitely variable speeds, spindle speed from 0 to 2250 RPM. Forward and reverse in all speeds. Operate either manually or with the adjustable auto feed rate. The hardness and accuracy of the V-slide ways are obtained by raw material, heat hardening and grinding. Emergency stop button included.
Top 2.
Shop Fox W17041/3 horsepower Benchtop Lathe. Motor, 1/3 HP, 2 amp, 110 V, single phase, 60 Hz. 12-inch distance between centers. 8-inch swing over bed cast iron construction and infinitely variable speed control includes 2 tool rests 1/3 horsepower bench top lathe with variable speed motor.
Top 3.
Grizzly G0602 Bench Top Metal Lathe, 10x 22-inch. Hardened and ground V-way bed. Oil bath gearbox. Toolbox with service tools. Number of longitudinal feeds, 9. Chip tray and backsplash are 10x22 bench lathe sports generous capacity, a lot of thread ranges, a wider bed and a larger chucks. Yet, it costs only a little more than our G4000. With features like a 25mm spindle bore, 3/4-12 TPI lead screw and an MT#3 tailstock, you'll be able to turn some surprisingly hefty projects and a few heads. If you are thinking of making parts for models, engines, or even for repairs around the home or shop.
Top 4.
BestEquip Metal Lathe, 8x16 Benchtop Lathe, Mini Metal Lathe 0 to 2500 RPM Variable Speed, Mini Lathe with 3 Jaw Chuck, Bench Top Metal Lathe, for various types of metal turning. Infinitely variable speed, the Mini Metal Lathe with metal gears is driven by powerful motor. Variable speed, 0-2250 RPM. The LED screen shows you a clear and accurate speed for accurate working. Operate either manually or with the adjustable auto feed rate. Spindle accuracy, 0.0004 to 0.0012, 0.01 to 0.03 millimeters. 400 millimeters large swing range. The Bench Top lathe is equipped with a 3-jaw chuck. Swing over bed, 8-1/4, 210 millimeters, and swing over cross slide, 15-3/4, 400 millimeters, offers more possibilities for large size or slash and heavy work pieces. Professional compound rest. The mini lathe machine quick change tool post can achieve positions of internal cutting.
Top 5.
BestEquip Metal Lathe 7x 14-inch Precision Bench Top Mini Metal Lathe 550W Precision Metal Lathe, Variable Speed 50 to 2500 RPM Nylon gear with a movable lamp. Sturdy iron construction. The mini metal lathe bed is made of high-grade iron. Equipped with nylon gears, this lathe machine is wear-resistant, durable, more accurate rotation and professional. Mini metal lathe power of motor, 550W. The full-length splash guard provides maximum protection. Infinitely variable speeds. Power metal lathes has large center distance 350 mm, 13.78, and swing over bed 180 mm, 7.09, spindle bore, 21 mm, 0.82. Variable speed from 50 to 2500 RPM. Forward and reverse in all speeds. Operate either manually or with the adjustable auto feed rate. Emergency stop button included.
Check out the description link for more information. Thanks for watching. Please like and share, don't forget to subscribe.